After all the hard work you put up for the PTE test, you finally get to the judgment day, which is the exam day. And it is equally important to know these 10 PTE test day tricks for every test taker. Hello and welcome to the Edutrainex channel. I am Anurag, your PT buddy, and I am going to share some must-know test day tricks because you need to capitalize on your preparation by playing your right shots on the D-Day. Trick number 1. Get a good sleep the night before. Research suggests that sleep helps learning and memory. It is very tempting to stay up all night and prepare for the test. But if you don't sleep, then your brain will not recharge. Therefore, relax the night before the exam. As a result, you'll wake up refreshed on the PTE test day. Trick number 2 is control your stress. It is very common to panic before the exam, but you need to keep your cool. It will help you implement the strategies that you have prepared meticulously. Relax and do some breathing exercise before the exam. On the contrary, it will be absolutely unrealistic to say not to be nervous at all. So work on your stress levels and control it. What I do is close my eyes and do some breathing exercise just a couple of minutes before the exam. Trick number 3. Identify your weakness and capitalize on your strengths. While preparing for the PTE exam, you must have identified what tasks or areas you are weaker in, and keeping that in mind, make sure you channel your energy towards those areas you are weaker in and try to attempt the questions you are stronger in quicker. For example, even if you didn't understand 20 to 40% of whatever was said in the retail lecture or summarized spoken text task, try not to worry about that. Concentrate on the 60% that you understood, which is still enough to complete your response and achieve a high score. For writing tasks, you should try to limit your response by not making longer or over-complex sentences. It is best to avoid writing longer sentences since you are more prone to making mistakes when drafting a long sentence. Trick number 4 is don't confuse the PTE with IELTS. This one is for those who have previously given the IELTS test but not the PTE. Don't ever confuse PTE with the IELTS. It's pretty common for the candidates to begin preparing for the PTE after failing to achieve their IELTS scores. So prepare yourself by familiarizing yourself with the format of the PTE test, the time you have for each section, and the criteria that will be used to grade you. Both the tests are substantially different. Keep that in mind. We do have a video where we have compared these two tests in detail. Do check out in our channel. Trick number 5. Check and recheck your microphone. Once you are in the exam room and in front of the PC, make sure you check your microphone is working properly or not. The PTE test provides this facility to check your microphone before you begin the test, so make sure you do that. If you fail to do this, and if there are any technical difficulties with your mic, then your whole test is compromised. Normally, there shouldn't be such issues, but always worth a check. Trick number 6. Keep an eye on the clock. If you spend too much time on one or more PTE tasks, you lose the time on the other tasks in the same section. So make sure you are vigilant in monitoring how much time you are spending on each question, and also follow a plan and maintain that time. If you're not sure how much time you need to spend on each question, read our blog or comment below and we can help you. Trick number 7. Work on your typing speed. The test is completely computer based, and all writing tasks require you to type your responses. So if you lack in your typing skills, make sure you work on them before the exam, and on the exam day, give your best shot to type the responses as quickly as possible, so you can get more time for editing and refining your responses, which is equally important. Trick number 8. Be prepared for a noisy environment. The PTE exam rooms can be noisy, especially in part 1 when people are attempting their speaking questions. Everyone will be speaking, some very loudly, so you need to keep your calm and maintain your focus on the exam. Don't get distracted by others. Before the exam, try practicing in a loud place. For example, turn on the TV and then practice your questions. That will definitely help you prepare for such an environment. Trick number 9. Our strategies are your best friends in the exam day. Our strategies have helped numerous students and keep on helping. So use them effectively on the exam day and make sure you have done enough practice, and also remember the templates for the appropriate tasks. If you don't have them, refer to our blogs and videos, or you can also comment and we can help you. Trick number 10 is believe in yourself and maintain your confidence. Remember, the hard work you have put up, if you believe in yourself that you can crack the PTE test in this attempt, you can do it. So self-belief is a key to success. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for other exciting PTE related videos. And good luck for your test.